couple of bottom feeders doing it statey. Doing a deal without cutting us in? Think we don't have friends in high places? They expect a cut, too.
No! I told you already. It wasn't a deal. We got called, man. Someone
Fuck that trick. Stop lying. We warned you before. Think we won't leave you for dead, too?
I can't take no more. I'll tell you what I know. I swear. Please, man, I swear.
And your buddy? What happened to him? Where's he now? Who's they? I don't know. Name. Give me name.
You're back! Stay on him, he's wounded! Ha! You're in a call an ambulance! Officer down! Don't have a chance! You're open! Watch your back! He's hit! Come in on his side. Move! Get back in cover! Watch your backs! Shots fired! Shots fired! I didn't sign up for this shit! Head down!
Your bullets against my armor? Don't make me laugh. They get along again. Oh, fuck! Underestimated the target's capabilities. Fuck me, he killed them all.
Keep closing in! Shut him off! Move in on the side! Go! Run at his sides! Close in, now! Man down! Man down!
Help! Somebody!
Relax.
You're inside. How'd you get inside, man?